Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify, and this is actually very simple. What you want to do at first is head over to Spotify itself. From there you want to click on your library. After that, what you want to do is click on the plus icon at the top right, and then you want to choose playlist. Now what you want to do is name the playlist. Let's say good mood. Click on create. From there, what you want to do is this thing that you see, a person and a plus icon. You want to click on this one. As you can see, invite collaborators. So you could either directly copy link, share it to your Instagram story, Messenger, WhatsApp, or however you want to. And if you don't see this option, then just click on the three icon, and then you'll see this option called invite collaborators. You can tap on that, and the process is same, but the link will expire in 7 days. So make sure the person you're sending the invite to is selecting this or accepting your invite, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.